The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 19. Furthermore, Mahāmati, nothing arises. This is what the Tathagatas of the past, the present, and the future teach. And how so? Because existence and non-existence are perceptions of one's own mind, the existence or non-existence of which does not arise. Mahāmati, nothing that exists arises. Everything is like horns on a rabbit or a horse, the mistaken projections of an imagined reality by ignorant beings. Therefore, Mahāmati, nothing that exists arises. The non-arising that characterizes all that exists, this is the personal realization of the realm of Buddha knowledge, not the dualistic realm of projections of the ignorant. The existence that characterizes such things as your body, your possessions, and the world around you, Mahāmati, is the interplay of the grasping and the grasped of repository consciousness. Trapped by their dualistic views of origination, duration, and cessation, and their wish for things to arise, the ignorant give rise to projections of existence and non-existence, not the wise. Mahāmati, you should reflect on this in your practice.